Hey, it's Tay
and they, and we are here at Przadki Natural Reserve.
The reserve is for the sandstone rock formation that has fought erosion for more than 50 million years.
So let's check it out.
Long story short,
the legend said that there were three beautiful sisters, and one day a knight came looking for a wife. And sisters had to compete. They should make the longest fabric in a week.
But they could not finish the fabric by Sunday, the holy day. But instead of going to church on Sunday, they decided to keep on spinning and complete the fabric. God, of course, got angry by this and turned these three sisters into stone. So they set up on the hill as a reminder to respect the holy day.
Hi, my name is Barak. I'm from Turkey and I'm an Erasmus student in here. I'm the camera girl of two of them and I'm taking shots and I'm taking photos. I make them cool, but it seems like a very good jungle and we need to explore more. Let's go.
What's your takeaway from this trip?
I didn't know about this story about the three beautiful sisters, and it's really good and poetic.
Yeah, very poetic. I've been here before, but I haven't been to this part of it. I've been through the forest, which we should go to because it's really awesome.
Guys, stay active, come out and explore Przadki.
Take a wonderful Saturday hike and immerse yourself in this beautiful nature. And that's our takeaway with Tay
And they
Bye!